MGM Grand Stay Well Suite. I'm carrying a whole lot of bags, so out of breath a little bit, and it was a long walk. Kind of a long walk to get here, you can see that. First impression video. We've never been here. The only way I know what to expect is by watching YouTube videos. Turn on some lights. It was a creaky door. That is an old school movie light because of the theme. Oh wow, okay. Nice. So this is a MyVegas Reward, but I upgraded it for $55. So it was a comp, and then you pay a little for an upgrade. Let me put these damn bags down. Heavy stuff. And turn some lights on. And open some. Ah, the other ones did not have a view like this. From the YouTube videos I watched, the other ones did not have a view like this. This is actually strip facing, kind of. Yeah, okay, there's the crystal shot. I had to get my bearings there. So no, you cannot see the strip. It's just a little bit there, but it's got a mountain view. You know, we're going to be able to see the light show at the Cosmopolitan, and Polo Towers will be lit up purple. I like it. Turn on some lights, please. Oh, you got the wet bar. Don't smoke marijuana. The spa. This is why it's a Stay Well suite, because it has this nice spa bathroom. Oh wow! And the shower heads are vitamin C. I was going to say oxygenated, but it's got that vitamin C canister on the shower head. Tracy, it's got that vitamin C canister on the shower head. Plenty of storage for your bags and belongings. It's got the TV everyone wants to point out that you can entertain or enjoy your living room. Or you could turn the TV around and enjoy from bed. We never turn the TVs on. We just look out the window. Actually, it's Monday. It is Monday, so we're going to get on to Wet Republic. Oh my goodness, I hope that's not the same property. I hope that's not where the lazy river is. That's going to be way too far to walk. But I could imagine, yeah, walking down and then having to walk through the casino floor. I bet that is where we want to be. That is, I recognize it. Look how far the pool is, Tracy.
How far is the pool? Are we close to it?
No, because we have to walk all the way down the hallway, get in the elevator, and then walk all the way across the casino floor out through the little tram station, it looks like. Well, no, but you got to walk under that tram station, because I think that's the end. That's it, over there. Yeah, the MGM Grand Conference Center. So this is all a massive property. Wow, cool. Well, that wraps up the little VR 180 video that you watched in the Oculus Quest. Actually, to cap it off, I should turn on the movie lights, shouldn't I? How do you turn this on? We've got a rabbit there. They say those are nice. It's not plugged in. And that's what you have to do, is plug in the movie lights. Booyah. Oh, whatever. It happens to be broken. It came off the track. I'll fix that for them and then charge them for maintenance fees. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye, boy.